Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a stable internet connection so activation can communicate with Microsoft. Once done, open Word and read the activation prompt exactly. That determines the path. Make sure to save any open documents, then close all Office apps to avoid conflicts. Now, sign into the Microsoft account tied to your license. If you don't have credentials, pause and locate product key or subscription details before proceeding to the next step. You'll now apply the core fixes. In Word, go to File Account and either sign in with the correct Microsoft account or choose Change Product Key and enter your key. If activation still fails, run Online Repair from Programs and Features or Apps Modify because it reinstalls activation components without losing data. Also, make sure Windows Update and Office updates are current, since outdated components can block activation. Finally, restart the PC to ensure services reload correctly. To finish, open Word and verify the status under File Account. If it still shows activation required, run the Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter or use the Telephone Activation option. Those force a fresh license check. Once activated, confirm your license on Account. Microsoft. Calm and sign out and back in if necessary. If problems persist, copy the exact error code and message. That lets support diagnose quickly. One tip: disable VPN or proxy during activation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.